Your Hermes agent already learns from experience, writes its own skills, remembers what you told it. What it can't do is see the market. Let's fix that. n0brains is a pre-trade conditions engine. 30+ live data feeds, 10 intelligence layers, 1 scored signal, and it speaks MCP. So Hermes calls it like a native tool, nothing to install. The quick start is 3 steps. Get your key, connect your agent, ask the first question. Hermes has its own section. And this is the whole integration. 1 MCP server block the n0brains endpoint, and your key in an authorization header. Mine the trailing slash. Let's actually do it. 2 files. The API key goes into Hermes's environment file. I've masked mine here. Then the config points at the n0brains endpoint and passes that variable through in the authorization header. So your key never sits in plain text in the config itself. Now test the connection. Connected in 2 seconds. 40 tools discovered, and notice Hermes masks the key in its own output too. That's the entire integration. No SDK, no glue code, no polling loop. Open Hermes, and the header confirms it n0brains over HTTP. Its whole toolset sitting right alongside everything the agent already had. So let's just talk to it. What can you see now? Live prices, technical indicators, real on-chain liquidation maps, positioning, sentiment, macro regime, signals, and a private trade journal. All of it. Inside the agent. Give me a read on Bitcoin, price, and the levels that actually matter each one, with how many times it's been tested and how often it held. Plus the regime it's all sitting in. Now, check along on it. Notice I never said Bitcoin again, it kept the context. Grade C, not because the idea is bad, but because the stop sits inside the noise 0.23% when a normal day moves 1.5%, and it tells me exactly how to fix it. So I widen the stop and set a target. Now it's a B+, the geometry survives a normal day. But look closer. My target sits exactly on a liquidation magnet. My stop sits exactly on the cluster below it. Classic sweep territory. It found that in seconds. Last question. Is there actually a trade here right now? No. Direction, neutral. Tradable, false. No directional consensus. It will not invent a setup just to keep me busy, and that is exactly what every call, on the record, means. That's pro. 40 tools, unlimited pre-trade checks, real-time signals, 600 requests a minute, plus a journal that snapshots your entries and resolves them against real candles. $39.99 a month. And Founding 20 gets your first month free with code RACE. Give your agent something it can actually verify. n0brains, every call, on the record.